Hello, my name is Ali Abbas and I am managing engineering and maintenance portfolio for Valtexco Midas Safety. Midas believe in UN goals for sustainability and climate, for which we set our targets to reduce carbon as well as greenhouse gases, for which we decided to install 200 kilowatt of solar, which helps to reduce carbon footprint by 60 tons annually. As electricity tariffs are increasing and they are forecasted to increase in the coming time as well, so generation from 200 kilowatt help us to reduce our utility bills. Yes, we need many companies like Frost Power as future belongs to green engineering, and I found Frost Power very efficient in terms of project delivery as well as they maintain very good level of integrity and commitment. As far as the execution of 200 kilowatt project is concerned, I am satisfied with the performance, and now we are proceeding with the maintenance contract with FPL, and I am expecting same level of performance from FPL. I believe future belongs to green engineering, and we need many companies like Frost Power who can deliver projects as well as maintain levels of commitment and integrity.